What do we have in the box? Well, we have a 1933 G.P.O. rotary dial from a telephone, probably off a Candlestick telephone or a Bakelite one. There it is. The solid brass or copper finger dial and a gorgeous enamel number plate. It's an F, you can just see it in there. Turn it over, and on the other side you can see the year there is 33, number 10, pattern number, more pattern numbers. I think that's the clutch and the pulse levers. Basically, before we had touch button phones, we had the rotary dial phone, and this is a really early one from the 1930s. As I said, it'd probably be on a Candlestick phone or on a Bakelite phone. Anyway, they worked on a pulse system. If you dial 1, you got like so, you got 1 pulse. 4, you got 4 pulses. And obviously 8 in this case, you get 8. But for 0, what do you have for that? Well, they decided we'd have 10, because you couldn't send 0 pulses. Anyway, if you look at the back, you can see it better. And there's the clutch or the pulse wheel in the middle. If I just dial it, try and do it in reverse. The lever up there, I show the pulses. There you go. Right. For instance, 1 pulse. If you look, 1 and 0, as I said, is 10. There you go. That's about it, really. Really solid bit of kit. No plastic on this. Well, I tell a lie. That little thing there is plastic. Otherwise, it was solid metal, brass, copper, and enamel paint. That's about it. That's the rotary dial. Rotary dial number 10. Case, you get 8.